guys, it's Mia
and Kai.
and today we're going to be making this Kracie pizza candy kit, but it does not taste like candy. It actually tastes like pizza. And you may notice that it actually kind of looks like Yummy Nummies, but it's not Yummy Nummies. It's Japanese, and you can get this online or at your favorite Japanese store. We got this one in LA at Mitsuya. And before you open it, the things that you will need will be a bowl of water, microwave safe plate, and some scissors. So let's open up the cardboard. And you see this little white box? You're not going to cut that because it's a pizza box and you use it to spread the pizza dough out in a big circle. So I'm just going to do a little cut here. Here's all the stuff that it comes with. It comes with a lot of stuff. And you're just going to cut the molds. Okay, I'm going to cut that. So here are the pieces after you cut them up. This is a big mixing bowl, a tiny mixing bowl, and the molds for the little potato things. And a cup for the drink that it comes with. So the first thing we're going to do is make the potatoes, which is the yellow packet. Just gonna cut it. And we'll be using the big mixing container. Pour it in. And for this one, you're going to need 2 scoops of water. Well, I'm just going to get 2 scoops. 1. And 2. And as you can see, this is the consistency. It's going to be doughy, not sticky. So you want it to be exactly this. You want it to be like this. And it comes in 4 different faces. And so you're just going to smush it into here. None of it has to be over the sides. Want to help? Smush it. Not too hard though. Not too hard that it goes all the way down. And this is what you want it to look like. So you're just going to put this in the microwave, an American microwave, for about 25 seconds. It just came out of the microwave, but it's really hot. So you're just going to pop it out on the plate and just wait to cut it because it's hot. So we're just going to let that cool. And now we're going to be making the pizza dough. And in the same container as we made the potatoes in. So we're going to pour this in. Make sure you got all the dough in with powder. A little bit. And now you're going to take 4 scoops of water. And remember that the potatoes are the yellow packet and the pizza dough is the orange packet. And the last one. Now I'm just going to mix this. It's going to be really doughy when it's done. Mix it slowly like you did the potatoes. Now you want to get all the dough mixed in, all the powder mixed in with the water. And this is what it looks like after I've mixed it. And the texture's, the consistency is going to be, what does it feel like, Kyla?
It feels sticky.
Sticky. And you're going to be able to make 2 pizzas, because otherwise, if you made 1 pizza, it's going to be like a ginormous pizza. And I'm going to roll this into balls, and then I'm going to use the spoon just to chop it into halves. And I'm just going to set these off to the side for right now. And the cheese packet, which is a green packet. So you're going to use you're just going to cut this open. You're going to use the smaller mixing container. Add all of the cheese powder. Add 1 scoop of water to the cheese. Don't do too much water. And it actually smells like cheese. Here's my spoon. Here's my spoon. Smell it. It smells like cheese. And the consistency, when you're done mixing the cheese, it's going to be really sticky and gluey and a pasty kind of texture. But it's really cool because if you let it sit in a ball, just like on the plate, let it sit for a few minutes, then it has like a chemical reaction and it turns into this really cheesy texture. So I'm going to keep mixing. It's already getting a bit pasty. So here's what it looks like now. It's all gooey and pasty.
Can I feel these?
But, no, Kyla. But when you let it sit aside for a few minutes, it's not going to be as pasty. It's going to have its chemical reaction. Really cool. Okay. I'm going to go wash my hand. Now next is the sauce packet, which is the red packet. And I'm just going to cut this open. Put it in the same one we did the cheese in. And for the sauce, it's going to be 2 scoops of water. So I'm going to grab the water. Want to mix this? It's easier to mix than the other ones. Slowly, Kyle, so it doesn't spill. You don't want it to spill. Make sure it's all mixed. Now the sauce is all mixed. It actually kind of smells like ketchup, but with a little bit more garlicky. Okay, we're just going to set that aside. That's it. And now comes the really cool part. So, it's the meat that I'm going to cut.
Wait, did you do the blue package?
That's just crackers. So. And now you're going to put this in the bigger bowl. And so the consistency and the smell is really weird. But don't worry, after you cook it, it's going to taste really good. So this is what it looks like. It's got a bean dip consistency. So we're just going to grab the packet that it came in. And we're just going to...
Ew. Why do you want to put in there?
Because that's what we're supposed to do, Kyla. You gotta push it all the way down to the bag, to the bottom of the bag, and you're just gonna cut a corner off right here. And this is the stuff we have right now. Pizza dough, this little guide on how to widespread it, and the cheese, potatoes, the meat, and the sauce, and our little spoon. Now first we're going to shape the dough. We're going to use our guide on how to widespread it. Kyla, do you want to smash it down? Smash it down on here until you get to the red line, Kyla.
Okay.
Here they are flattened out. I'm going to take this off our guide. And now time for the pizza sauce, which is actually really cool because look at it. It's now all gooey. The consistency of real pizza sauce. Kyla, do you want to spread some sauce? Okay.
On the happy face.
Now I'm gonna glob some
I
sauce.
want to do it on the happy face.
Now glob some. Dab it on there. Now spread it around. Spread it around so it covers all the pizza. Careful. So now it's time to add the cheese. And this is really cool to me because I'm sort of a science nerd. And to see this chemical reaction is actually really exciting. And now that it's sat for a while, it actually has the consistency of like Baby Bell. So we're gonna get little balls and put a little bit more this pizza. So now we're gonna do the meat, and there is no right or wrong way to do this because it's really hard to work with. You can like take it and put it into a little ball and put it on, or you can cut it with your spoon. So we just put these little globs of it. It actually kind of looks like chocolate frosting. So now we're going to microwave this for 25 to 30 seconds. So here, this is what it looks like all cooked. And we're also going to cut our potatoes. And we're going to use the blue packet, which is the last step. And this is the last step. These are kind of like Rice Krispies, but flavored like vegetables. So, yellow and green. I was just thinking to be more cute with it, instead of using the cup that came with it, we're going to be using the Yummy Nummies soda shop cup and the little swirly straw. Purple packet is the grape soda. And this is what your cute little meal will look like when it's all done. It looks so cute. Kyla, would you like a sip of grape soda?
Sure.
Even though there's not much in there. What does it taste like?
Tastes like raspberries.
Would you like a potato?
Sure. It tastes like French fries.
Would you like a slice of pizza?
Sure.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like real pizza.